Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create new form on Convertkit. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply click on grow over here, and you should be able to see here landing pages and forms. So just simply go ahead and click on that. And from here guys, you should be able to see here create new on the right side of the screen. So just simply click on this one and it will redirect it to another page. And from here, just simply click on form, and after that, you will have four options. You can either go for inline display format, model, slide in, or sticky bar. So I'm going to go for a sticky bar, for example. And from here, guys, just simply choose your template. As of now, there are only one template over here. So I'm just going to click on choose over here. And in other case, there will be multiple templates. And from here, as you can see, you should be able to create a new form on ConvertKit and just simply edit it based on your preferences. And once you are done, you can just simply click on save and you should be able to publish it. And from here, you will have multiple options. You can JavaScript it, HTML, share, WordPress, or unbounce. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.